Hey beauties, it's me Evie, and I am here for an Ipsy opening. First of all, I would just like to say I am sorry for the junky background. If you don't know, I haven't heard, I'm moving. I don't know where yet exactly, but I am moving. Me and Jeremy have separated, and it has become a thing. We are actively packing his stuff, my stuff. He's moving out, selling his house. I'm moving out, and there's so many things to come. And I'm handling it so good right now, but I guarantee you I will go back to crying as soon as I'm off screen, because that's all I've done for weeks now. So let me just get into opening this and having a little cheer in my day. So, as always, the beautiful little packaging comes to your box, and it just arrives like a mystery gift from a very special loved one. That's the way I like to think of it. Ipsy is like my magical boyfriend or something, and they just like to send me things all the time. Well, you know, monthly. So we're going to rewrite the rules in March. Wear too much blush, make the first move, get a mismatched mani. This month, march to your own beautiful beat with botanical skincare, must-have makeup, and a natural-inspired palette from women-owned and founded brands who inspire us to write the rules every day. And yes, so that is that. And you know the drill. Ipsy is 5 deluxe beauty samples. If you're a subscriber to Ipsy, you get to pick out one of the products each month. And what you get inside this bag, and the bag is worth up to $70. And guess what? The biggest thing is it's only $14 a month. And, you know, what can a person do with like months and months and months, according to how long you've been using Ipsy baggies? Like some you'll want to keep. Like this one, I borderline love. And I will probably be keeping it. But then again, I probably will give it away, because that's what I do. I give things away. So let's just jump in here and see what we have. Okay, we have Shades by Sean. And it's a San Francisco company, I guess, based there. It's actually made in China. It's vegan. It is cruelty-free. It is paraffin-free. I did that without removing my glasses. Y'all be proud of me. So this is called You Are Very Beautiful, I guess. Life of the Party, Volume 1. It's from the High Rise and After Dark palettes. Let's just see. Oh, look how cute this is. It's a very, very pretty, basic palette. You could go to church with this. You could go to work with this. You could make a smoky eye with this for like an elegant going out night. I actually really like this. This, my friends, is perfect to throw in your bag with a brush, or you can use your finger and have it in your bag at all times. So when you need to add a little bit of, you know, so what I would do if I was out and about and I had no makeup on and I suddenly needed to look nicer, I would throw some of this all over my eye, this in the crease, and this all over afterwards. Then you could take a little brush and do your brow, whatever color your brow is. I mean, it's one of these. And you could do that. You could even use a little shimmer as a little touch on there. Just not bad because it's brown. And yeah, you could look totally cute with just this eye palette. You got to think out of the box. You've got to Remember, you have to rewrite the rules. The next thing in her bag, this is Exceptional Calming Solution for a Visibly Clear Complexion. It's soothing calmness, silky soft, velvet skin texture, firming and toning for tighter skin, and it is vegan. So this is Soothing Repair Toning Serum by Dermafirm. And that I'll be excited to use this because your girl's been having some problems. So here is some Gloss Moderna. It's Clean Luxury Radiant Polish for the hand and body exfoliation. It's paraffin free and phthalate free and vegan. Comes with the little things we all hate. Let's see how this feels. Let's see how it feels. I mean, it doesn't say to wash it off or anything, but I do believe you have to, because it is like sandpaper. But it smells really, really good. Yeah, but I wouldn't want to put that on my face. Yeah, it gives no instructions. Kind of wishing I wouldn't have put it on my hand. It's all over me now. Okay, but it smells so good. Oh my God. Especially if you like the natural scented, like potpourri back from the day. That's kind of what it reminds me of. Yeah. So then we have Lip Gloss Blissful from Ofra. Go for the glitz. It's our creamy and comfortable glosses, packed with good-for-you ingredients. Keeps lips protected and avoid dry out with the blend of antioxidants and sun filters, and with a yummy scent. Sometimes when they say yummy, Evie is like, what the heck? It does have a tint to it. I don't know if you can tell because I had lipstick on. The flavor is nice. I don't know what it tastes like, but it's nice. So there you go. A lip gloss that will protect from the sun and refresh your lips, not to let them go dry. And it's tinted, and that's perfect. This is Get a Grip. So this is for the oily faced woman. It says it controls oil, and it is just a makeup setting spray, which personally I cannot get enough of. I love getting the little bottles of it because you can take it with you. So that is awesome. So that was our 5 full-size samples. Full-size samples? Deluxe-size samples, people. Don't get me lying. And all this can be yours for $14 a month. Seriously, it's a good deal. You can use these things multiple times. You can put them in your bag. You can give them as gifts, which is a big thing for me because I love giving people things and being able to, be able to gift somebody beauty, care, and makeup is one of my biggest happinesses. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. I'm a little bit on a sugar high right now, so just avoid any craziness you might have seen. I will catch you next time with the BoxyCharm by Ipsy, and maybe a little update this week is coming too. Be your own beautiful. It's what makes the world turn.